It's kind of like Harry Potter, where you kind of have like this small room and it's like, oh, there's nothing in there. Then you walk in and it's like huge, like there's a downstairs to the downstairs.
I can't even plan to use this space in so many ways, especially for just space for events. It is so hard to book events because there are so many organizations on this campus. It'll be nice to just kind of have space where the competition is a little bit less.
And overall, the DMS is just a huge community. If you come to the space at any time of the day, you're always going to see students here at the student space, either studying or playing dominoes or playing cards. And
the DMS really was my first home away from home. Just immediately felt like I belonged here.
DMS is like a safe haven for me. It's a place where I can just come and just not have to worry about the outside world.
it almost feels like that house where you're living with a bunch of family members. The expansion of the Lohr space is an opportunity to expand that family house.